Your knee hurts?
Yeah.
Is that ice? Is that cold water making it feel better? Does that help?
Yeah. Be careful.
Yeah, we're being very careful. Leo, can you show me your surprised face? Can you show me your sad face? Can you show me your happy face? Can you show me your angry face? Can you show me your sorry face? Sorry. Is that cold?
Yeah.
Is it making your knee feel better?
Knee feel better. Knee feel better.
Oh yeah?
Knee feel better. My turn.
My turn?
Yeah.